Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. I wish you all a very, very happy Wednesday. Thank you for joining us today. We're going to be doing a WildFlower pour tonight, which I haven't done in a little bit, and have thought of something different to do with it that I'm excited about, so I want to share that with you guys. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artist Loft. And I have taped and put my push pins into the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with one of my colors. Let me show you those colors now because they're very, very pretty. The first one we're using is Golden's Turquoise Pthalo. My happiness in a cup. I love this. Then we are using Amsterdam Bronze, which I haven't used in a couple of weeks because HOA kept making me feel guilty about the 24 karat gold.
You just abandoned it.
No, I didn't. It was taking a break. Okay, nice. Now we have Amsterdam Titanium White.
It was on a break.
Okay, oh my god. Okay, so there's the Titanium White. Everything is mixed with that pouring medium that I saw Erica Hughes using, which is the Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of water to thin it out. This one is Folk Art Treasure Gold in Aquamarine. Beautiful color. We used this in one of the original WildFlower pours. I think that was WildFlower in Paradise that had the orange in it. So this is really, really pretty, and I'm really looking forward to this. I love it. And then last but not least, the special, we're going to be using my beautiful Boastful from the Up Pigs. This gorgeous, shimmery, amazing green that I love. You can see it shimmering on the stick where it's dried. In the cup it looks a little dark, but it's okay because it will dry beautifully. That last pour that we did, Mystic Seas, we used the Boastful in there with the Liquitex gloss medium, and it worked perfectly and it came out beautiful in the dried result. So I'm excited about that. I am going to be using my split cup. This is a 10-ounce split cup from Tracie Reed Designs. You can find it at acrylicpouringtools.com. And I'm excited to be using this one, and what I'm going to be doing something a little different with this. In one of the other WildFlower pours, I actually had two split cups layered with two sets of colors, and did one pour with one, then used the other set of colors, and then went back to the first one. And tonight I have figured out something that's a little different that I want to try, and the two colors that I think I'm going to use are these two. These are Piggies also. This is Sangria and Venus. So there's the Sangria, which is very, very pretty. Beautiful, iridescent, shifty, berry-colored wine Sangria. We all know what Sangria is. And Venus, beautiful, pink, beautiful goddess. So this is what we're going to do for our alternate colors, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So let's, what I'm going to do first is put down my base coat. We're going to layer our cup. We're going to do one WildFlower pour, and then I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and layer this now. because my turquoise is my base coat, I have a nice big tub of it mixed up over here for a base coat layer. Slightly thinner than everything else. Tiny mound and then sinking right into itself. Okay, so this is the turquoise. That's going to be our base coat color. So I have that same turquoise and I'm going to use that in the center chamber. So let's pour that in there right now, because that gives everything else the illusion that it's floating on top and gives it a very three-dimensional quality, which I really like. Okay, so there's our Turquoise Pthalo. I definitely want to put the Boastful on one side. And I want to put, let's see, do I want white on the other side? Maybe. What do you think? White on the other side or the aquamarine?
Where's the white gonna go if you put the aquamarine over there?
Between them.
Yeah, I'd say the aquamarine on the other side.
Rather than the white?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No, I think I don't want to. I think I want to put...
That's okay. So I'm here to help you make these decisions.
All right, we're gonna go with the... we're gonna go with the white. Okay. Because I do want high contrast, especially since we're using that darker turquoise as our base coat also. What's on the outer chambers is gonna show up more. So I want the contrast that the white is gonna provide. So now I have the aquamarine and the bronze left. I want to put the bronze, I'm going to put the bronze in between the turquoise and the white. And we'll put the aquamarine in between the Boastful and the turquoise.
I can't really hear you over all of the people saying, why don't you listen to HOA?
I do listen to HOA, I just don't always do what he says.
I know.
I've said before, you're my sounding board, and sometimes being able to verbalize what I'm thinking and helps me figure out exactly what I want to do. I think I need a little bit more turquoise in the center because it's kind of low. Okay, so now our cup is layered. All right, let's get these out of the way. And we will put our base coat down, and then we will pour this beautiful cookie. Okay. So lots of exciting stuff coming up. We're having our This Little Piggy Love Valentine's Day collaboration is happening Sunday, February 12th. I hope you guys will join us for that. There will be a playlist that you can just click on the top of it and it takes you to all of them right in order. It's really lovely. So that's going to be on Sunday. Also have Fluid Art Boutique is happening in Santa Fe, New Mexico on April 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. You can check out our website at www.fluidartboutique.com. And there's a couple other very exciting things I can't quite tell you about yet, but are going to be a lot of fun. We're also talking about Nate Bright's Paint Party in Paradise in Costa Rica, which I'm super excited about. Our passports came today, which is I had one, it just had expired, so that's all set up and getting exciting. So if you guys have a chance, please do check out Nate Bright Art and his Paint Party in Paradise. I will put the link in the description box for you so you can get all the information but it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So lots of awesome stuff coming up, and that's not even taking us into summer because there's more cool stuff happening this summer. Okay, so we've got this down. I'm just kind of smoothing it out now to make sure that everything is coated, and I think I'm going to tilt it a little bit too, just to get some of the extra paint off of there. So our Turquoise Pthalo, which looks very bright right now, actually dries much darker and deeper than this, which is why I've layered the cup having the white on the outside edge and the turquoise in the centers, so that we actually have a lot of contrast in this pour. We're gonna start over here and we're gonna go this way. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass.
Here
That I am.
Okay, here we go. Okay, I like that. That's cool. Okay, so now the idea that I had was to use these two, and rather than getting a separate split cup, I'm just going to pour these directly on top of the two center chambers. Because we only need a little bit of this for contrast, and I'm going to pour this one on top of where the bronze was. This is the Sangria. Okay. And I'm going to fill the white up again. I think I'm going to put the bronze in the middle this time. So by only filling halfway, I'm just filling what I'm going to use for this secondary pour. And then when it empties out, then I should even have enough paint on here left for to do another layer of the first colors if I want. I like these bubbles. Okay, so now we have white on each side, the Sangria and the Venus and the bronze. Okay, so we're going to start like over here.
Okay.
Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. I'm going to start off the edge of the canvas. Okay, that's kind of cool. So now, there's still a lot of paint in here. Do we need another layer of the original colors, do you think? Or do we like it kind of like this?
You're not going to tilt it anymore, right? You're not going to tilt it at all?
I don't have to, because there's not a thick bunch of paint on there. If I'm not going to tilt it anymore, then I do want one more layer, I think. So I'm just going to layer it like how we had it originally. Okay. So I'm going to put the turquoise in the center again. And we have the Boastful on this side. And what was it? Aquamarine on this side? Yeah. I think I'm going to put white in the center too, or in the two middle chambers. So it was interesting to me that you could use the same cup and just continue to layer it a little by little. So we're going to do one more layer mirroring that same, but lower down. We're going to start over here.
Okay.
Are you ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Okay. That's pretty cool. I don't know if I want to tilt it. I kind of do, but I kind of don't. Let's torch it.
Kind of reminds me of one of those giant
Giant what?
aloe plants that you have.
Oh, my agaves?
Those are the-
Yeah. See that? There's so much of me that wants to tilt it right now.
That wants to what?
Tilt it.
It'll be all wavy though.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to.
Be strong.
Trust the process.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna leave it. So next time, if I do this again and I know I'm not gonna tilt it, then I'm gonna try to leave a little bit less negative space. I just feel like there's kind of a lot there right now, but it's okay. I'm kind of all right with it. So it looks pretty cool though from here. Turn it around so you guys can see. So there's our turquoise wildflower. Okay, that's pretty awesome. I'm happy with that. I will show you guys when it is dry. Obviously, it won't be dry by tomorrow morning when you see this video. But I will show you when it is dry, probably on Sunday. So Thank you so much for being here with us tonight. Please check out everybody else in our Wednesday morning premiere train, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Bye-bye.